What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Welcome to this new video on the DOGWIFHAT. Wanted to do a quick video on that. I mean, I covered this before, I think on Monday. Back then I was not right, or maybe I was, but yeah, kind of. I don't know. What I said is that, I mean, back then we were about to break 35 cents, which at that moment looked like the strongest resistance. All right, it was already tested 3 times. It was tested well 3 times. So I said, if we break above that, I think we can get to the next price target, which is 50 cents, which we did break above that. And we did get to 50 cents, but in the meanwhile, there was a bit of a drop back down to 25 cents. And just in general, DOGWIFHAT or WIF, I'll just call it WIF. In the meanwhile, look, it's just been volatile. All right, it's a meme coin. I know too little about the fundamentals behind the meme coin to make an assumption about whether to trust it or not. Would I put my life savings on this? No. Would I risk more than 1% of my capital? No. However, it's still interesting, all right? And just in general, I mean, Solana meme coins are doing pretty well. I mean, except for Bonk, which is unfortunate, because I have a grid bot running on that. So I would have loved some volatility on that. Doesn't matter. WIF is doing great as well. I mean, it has a volume of over 130 million actually. And it's traded on perpetual exchanges. So we can actually look at some open interest numbers. And there again, you can see, I mean, it's manipulated. All right. I mean, look at this. We had a big increase of open interest right here up until earlier this morning, and then a big drop. So, and that's also visible in the price. I would say at this moment, technicals do not matter that much with WIF. They do matter to a certain extent, and what I would say is that right now the most important level is probably between 40 and 37 right here. So that's that previous top we made. And what needs to happen if we actually want to see WIF stay bullish, I would say what we need to see is that it holds 35, 37, 30, 40 cents as support, and that from that level it can actually, well, no, just that it holds it. All right, if it's able to hold that, I actually do think we can get some more bullish momentum back up to 50, 55 and 60. But at this moment, I mean, I have to say, with what I'm seeing from WIF, if I look at where the volume is coming from, which is mostly decentralized exchanges, that's not too bad, but apart from that, nothing. If I look at that, and especially if I look at this open interest, which is just spiking up and down, it's so manipulated that I do think after such a big spike, it's more likely we'll see a bit of a crash now. All right, so that will drop down below 35 cents, drop down all the way to 25 cents, and then from 25 cents, who knows? I mean, like I said, it's manipulated. That could go both ways. At this moment, with what I'm seeing from the open interest and the position closures, I would say bearish momentum is most likely. But at 25 cents, we'll probably find support. And if then the open interest starts increasing again, we can very much rally back up to 40 cents again. So it's difficult to say with WIF. I would be careful right now. All right, I would be careful. I would expect some more bearish momentum, but I would also keep my eyes on that open interest. And to do that, if you don't know, you go to Leviathan. All right, so that's right here. It will look like this. It's leviathan.ch, so that's levitas.ch. You go to global, you go to perpetual swaps, you type in WIF, and then you can actually see the open interest. If that starts, this open interest is not correct, I believe. This is different from what we saw just a moment ago. Maybe like this. Yeah, here you can see on the daily. All right, if this starts increasing again, then there's potential. At this moment, I'm expecting a crash. So that's what I think. At this moment, if you do have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to check out my premium and signal group. Also, if you want to potentially know whether I'm taking a trade on WIF, that's up to you. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.